I have my first casualty of the filmmaking experience. This tripod is now junk. I know it's a ripoff to buy things from Best Buy, but I need a new tripod, and I could save 50 bucks by buying one online, or I could just get one today. And like the tripod that I want to get is like the really cool tripod, like if you've got your eyes on the tripod, and you don't know whether or not it's got a prom date, you're thinking about asking, but you're really shy about it. That's how I feel about this tripod. It's a rainy, overcast day. A little chilly outside too. So all of my outdoor filming opportunities and projects are probably not gonna happen today. So this might be just a video about cleaning and organizing my house. As riveting as that's gonna be, huh? Everybody likes to watch somebody clean their house. How did mankind survive before 3M command strips? Boggles my mind. It's pretty good. It just needs one more thing. Now it's really good. I've got bigger plans for this whole area, but for right now, I just wanted to set up the desk. That way I could have a spot to do editing and like have a stool to sit on, because my apartment is severely lacking in general places to plant yourself. I've got a couch, and that's the only seating arrangement in the whole thing. Hashtag bachelor life. If you stayed with me this long and you've enjoyed yourself, hey, thanks. I really appreciate it. But I need some help. Subscriptions and comments are the most helpful, because with comments, I know what I'm doing plus or minus right or wrong. I can build better content. With subscriptions, more people will be able to see this video, so it might be me being narcissistic, but I don't like asking for subscriptions. So maybe you could comment or like the video or share it with some friends. You know you should. Stay beautiful.